Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to replace a screen on an iPhone X, as you can see here. So the first thing we need is a pentalobe screwdriver, and then what we do, we just undo the bottom screws, both of them. And two, and then we can just open this one and make sure you don't lose the screws. And this one open up as a book. Okay, so now what we are going to do is have some support here, and then undo these screws, and also we have to switch off the phone and then disconnect the battery. So the battery connector is here, and then disconnect both the connections, and then the third connection here, and that's how the screen comes off, as you can see. Now what we are going to do is, once we are done with this, we have to remove the earpiece. So I'll just move this one away, and then get that screen where we got the earpiece in. And what we need here is a Phillips screwdriver. And then we'll just remove so that's one screw, and the other screw. And then the earpiece comes off. Now what it tells me is, like, this phone has been replaced before, so all right. As you can see, now I got the new screen. So we are going to remove the plastic. And also there is a small tape attached here. Just remove that as well. Okay. Now what we are going to do is install the earpiece onto this one. So before that, what I would do is, like, I'll remove this extra plastic here, that bit. I'll just remove that, and then align this properly. And then what I'm gonna do is, like, put these screws back on. So that will be the one screw, and this phone has only two screws. Normally they should have four, but two are missing because I think because of the drop, it got missing. Okay, done. Now what we are going to do is put that screen back on here, and as you can see, I'm gonna connect the earpiece first. That's done. I'm gonna connect the screen again. Yeah, and then the third bit here. So it's all these connections are secured, 1, 2, 3, and then now I'm going to put the battery on. Okay, and then we can use, like, a small tool like this and just make sure like every connection is secured and properly in. So now it's a time for us for testing. So we just turn this one on and we should see an Apple logo. If you don't see an Apple logo, what it means is like the battery is low. Let's connect the battery, and that should give us, yeah, so the battery is low. So I'll show you. That means the screen is working. uh, Now what we are going to do is we are going to put everything back. So now I got the screws here, the metal plate that can go there, and what we are going to do is secure um, all the screws. And it is secured by 3Y000 screws. Now one important thing what I would suggest is to have like very good tools that makes your life so easier. So invest like a decent amount of money on the tools. Like I'm not saying like don't buy like a big expensive one, but reasonable, reasonable one, so that the quality of your repair is pretty good. So you don't need to put like arms and legs on the tools, but at least like something which is a decent amount of money it will give you some good tools. Okay, now I'm going to secure this earpiece connection. That's the earpiece connection. So over there there are 4 screws, Y000, out of which one is a Phillips screw. So it's a very good idea to use the mat. Then you know like you don't have any screws left on the mat, which means like whatever has come off from the screen, you have secured everything back. And one more tip I want to give you is like always look for, when you open up the screen, sometimes the screws are stuck in between, inside near the motherboard or somewhere near the battery. So make sure like you don't have anything there. And then the way you do put the screen back is from the top, just align everything, and then you should make like a crunch noise. I hope you heard that crunch. That crunch is a good, and don't press too hard because these screens are very delicate. So you don't press too hard, just very gentle force, and then the screen is closed. Once the screen is closed, what you're going to do is like use a pendulum screwdriver, and then the bottom screws, just secure the 2 bottom screws. So that's my first screw, and the second screw is hiding somewhere here. Let's get that one out of the way. Right. Perfect. Now I want to show you, like I just want to charge this one and see if it works. Now once you connect the charger, it should automatically lit up after a few minutes, and also it should turn on the phone. So let's wait for a few minutes. I'll just forward that one anyway, so you can see the Apple logo. And so this is how you do the iPhone XR screen.